Spotting inconsistencies in point of view. Hello learners! Today, we're going to delve deep into one of the most crucial elements of creative writing, the point of view. Specifically, we'll explore how to identify inconsistencies in point of view. You might wonder, why is this important? Let's dive in and find out. At its core, point of view, POV, is the lens through which a story is told. There are primarily three types. 1. First person, narrated by a character within the story, using I or we. 2. Second person, directly addresses the reader as you. 3. Third person, uses he, she, they, or character names. Each of these has its own charm and can deeply affect how a story is perceived. When you shift the POV without a clear reason, it can confuse your reader and disrupt the narrative flow. Imagine being deeply engrossed in a book, feeling as though you're seeing through a character's eyes, only to be abruptly shifted to another perspective. It can be jarring. Maintaining a consistent POV helps the story maintain its immersive quality. Recognizing POV shifts is a skill that requires keen attention. Here are some tips. 1. Highlighting POV words. As you read, mark words like I, you, he, she, and so on. This can help you spot shifts. 2. Note emotional depth. First-person and close third-person perspectives often delve deep into a character's emotions, while an omniscient third person might provide a broader overview. 3. Check dialogues. Inconsistent POVs often creep in during dialogues. For example, a third-person limited POV won't know what other characters are thinking. After spotting inconsistencies, how do you fix them? 1. Decide on the best POV. Determine which POV serves the story best and stick to it. 2. Rewrite sections. If a section feels out of place, consider rewriting it to fit the chosen POV. 3. Ask for feedback. Sometimes, a fresh pair of eyes can spot things you might have missed. Inconsistencies in point of view might seem like a minor issue, but they can greatly impact a reader's experience. By understanding the different types of POVs and honing the skill to spot and correct shifts, you'll elevate your creative writing to new heights. We hope this video has shed light on the nuances of POV and how to make it work for your story. Happy writing!